Are you tired of tossing and turning in bed, desperately wishing you could just sleep in a chair that actually feels like a cloud? Well, stick around, because I've found the absolute holy grail of sleeping recliners that might just replace your mattress forever. Today, we're going to count down the top 6 best recliner chairs for sleeping. We'll look at everything from padding and lumbar support to the reclining mechanisms, and I'll tell you exactly what my experience was like sleeping in them night after night. 6. Sweetcrispy Massage Recliner Chair. When I first saw this one online, I was pretty intrigued by the name and the promise of a built-in massage feature for such an incredibly affordable price point. I mean, a relaxing massage right before falling asleep sounds like an absolute dream, right? I set it up in my living room, which by the way was relatively easy and only took about 20 minutes, and decided to give it a spin for a few nights to see if it could really deliver on that cozy sleep experience. The chair boasts a highly adjustable backrest that lets you find your preferred angle, which is obviously a crucial feature for any sleeping chair. You can push it back quite a bit, getting it to a very relaxed, almost flat position. The fabric felt quite decent against the skin, and the overall look of the chair is remarkably modern and sleek. It doesn't take up an obnoxious amount of space, which is great if you have a smaller apartment or a tight bedroom layout. However, well, this is where things get a bit complicated. When I actually tried to sleep in it for a full 8 hours, I noticed that the padding, especially around the lower lumbar region, felt a little bit lacking. You know, when you first sit down, it feels perfectly fine, but after a few hours of resting your full body weight on it, you start feeling the wooden frame a bit more than you'd like. It's just not that deep sink-in plushness that you really crave when you want to entirely replace a bed. 5. Bosmiller Recliner Chair. This one also features a massage and vibration function, and visually, it looks incredibly plush. When it arrived at my door, I was super excited because the cushions just looked so incredibly thick and inviting. I thought, this might actually be the one I end up taking my Sunday afternoon naps in on a regular basis. The Bosmiller offers a great heating feature as well as vibration, which is honestly a fantastic combination if you have sore muscles or arthritis. I tested the heating function on a particularly chilly evening, and it definitely warmed up my lower back beautifully. It creates this really cozy, warm environment that naturally makes your eyelids feel heavy. Plus, the overstuffed armrests give you a great place to rest your head if you like to sleep slightly turned to the side. But, as I spent more nights testing it, I started to notice a few frustrating quirks. The footrest, for instance, operates with a latch mechanism that is notoriously stiff. I mean, getting the footrest to click back into place when you want to get up to use the restroom in the middle of the night requires a surprising amount of leg strength. If you are elderly or recovering from an abdominal surgery, this could be a serious struggle. Another thing that kind of bothered me was the overall noise level of the vibration function. While the heat is lovely, if you turn on the massage motors, they have this loud, mechanical buzzing sound. It's just not very relaxing when you are trying to drift off to a peaceful sleep and your chair sounds like a distant lawnmower. 4. MCombo Powerlift Recliner Chairs. Oh wow, let me tell you, making the jump from a manual lever to an electric system is an absolute game changer. The moment I plugged this chair in and used the simple little remote to recline, I instantly knew my sleep game was about to be upgraded significantly. The MCombo features a very smooth, whisper-quiet motor that not only reclines the chair to your exact preferred angle, but also lifts the entire chair up to help you stand. If you have mobility issues, bad knees, or you're recovering from an injury, you know exactly how painful getting out of a low, squishy chair can be. This chair does all the heavy lifting for you, quite literally. It gently tilts forward and stands you up without placing any strain on your joints. For sleeping, the infinite position lock is simply incredible. Unlike manual chairs that only have 2 or 3 set positions, you can stop this MCombo exactly where you want it. If you need your head just slightly elevated to prevent heartburn, you just release the button when it's perfectly angled. The fabric is a high-quality material that feels remarkably soft and is incredibly easy to clean if you happen to spill your midnight water glass. The padding on this chair is a noticeable step up from our previous contenders. It has a firmness to it that provides genuine orthopedic support, meaning you won't wake up with a stiff neck or an aching lower back. I spent 3 full nights sleeping in this model, and I woke up feeling surprisingly refreshed and pain-free. It also comes with built-in USB ports, so I could keep my phone charging right next to me while listening to my white noise sleep apps. 3. Watson & Whiteley Recliner Chairs. Well, if you want a chair that looks like a high-end designer piece of living room furniture, but actually sleeps exactly like a luxury mattress, this is it. When I unboxed this beauty, I was immediately struck by the gorgeous upholstery and the incredibly elegant silhouette. It completely hides the fact that it's a highly functional power recliner. One of the absolute standout features of this chair is the power-adjustable headrest. You know, when you recline back in a normal chair to watch TV or read a book before going to sleep, you often have to awkwardly stuff a pillow behind your neck just to see the screen. With the Watson & Whiteley, you simply press a little button, and the headrest independently tilts forward to support your neck perfectly. It is just so intuitive and comfortable. When it comes time to actually sleep, the cushioning is absolutely divine. It utilizes high-density foam wrapped in a plush, incredibly breathable fabric that doesn't make you sweat in the middle of the night. I mean, I naturally run quite hot when I sleep, so finding a chair that breathes well is utterly essential for me. I never woke up feeling clammy or overheated in this chair, which is a massive win in my book. The reclining mechanism is flawlessly smooth. It glides effortlessly backwards, allowing you to find a nearly flat position that takes almost all the pressure off your sensitive spine. The armrests are perfectly proportioned, giving your arms a natural, relaxed place to rest without feeling cramped. It also features incredibly convenient hidden controls and a handy USB port, keeping the aesthetic totally clean while still being highly functional. 2. CHITA Power Recliner Chair. Oh my goodness, I honestly didn't want to get out of this chair once I finally sat in it. The CHITA takes everything you could possibly want in a sleeping chair and refines it to an almost artistic level. From the very moment I sank into its beautifully upholstered seat, I knew I was dealing with absolute top-tier craftsmanship. The standout feature here is undoubtedly the extended footrest. A lot of typical recliners leave your ankles and feet awkwardly dangling over the edge, which can cause circulation issues or just feel generally annoying when you are trying to sleep peacefully. The CHITA actually extends a bit further out, providing full, solid support from your hips all the way down to your heels. It completely changes how your lower body relaxes. The power recline is operated by sleek, brushed metal buttons, expertly hidden on the inside of the armrest. It's completely silent. I mean, literally, you cannot hear the electric motor running at all. You just press the little button and feel yourself gracefully floating backwards into a state of pure, uninterrupted bliss. It reclines far enough to essentially act as a substitute bed, distributing your body weight so perfectly evenly that it almost feels like a zero-gravity pod. The comfort level is just completely out of this world. The internal construction uses an advanced combination of pocketed coils and highly resilient memory foam. This means it contours directly to your specific body shape, exactly like a premium luxury mattress would, rather than just forcing you into a pre-cut, cheap foam mold. My spine felt incredibly supported, and I experienced absolutely zero pressure points on my hips or broad shoulders, even after sleeping in it for 8 solid hours. 1. MCombo Dual Motor Recliner Chair. You know, I genuinely thought I had experienced the absolute best of the best, but then I tested this absolute masterpiece of comfort. The dual motor system is what completely separates this incredible chair from everything else on the market, and it is the exact reason it is the ultimate recliner for sleeping. Most standard power recliners operate on a single motor, meaning the backrest and the footrest move together in a locked, synchronized dance. But with the MCombo dual motor, you can control the backrest and the footrest completely independently of each other. I mean, just think about the absolute freedom that gives you. You can sit straight up while having your legs fully elevated to reduce painful swelling, or you can lay the back completely down flat while keeping your feet lowered. The customization is truly infinite. Because of this brilliant dual motor setup, this chair miraculously achieves a true lay-flat position, literally turning into a wildly comfortable single bed right in the middle of your living room or bedroom. I spent my last weekend completely testing this out, and honestly, I slept significantly better in this chair than I typically do in my actual expensive bed. The extended footrest length wonderfully accommodates taller individuals perfectly, ensuring absolutely no part of your entire body is left unsupported. The cushioning is just incredibly generous, featuring beautifully overstuffed padding that somehow wonderfully manages to remain highly supportive. It has exceptional, targeted lumbar support that actively eases lower back pain almost instantly upon lying down.